Hey guys, welcome to Tinotech Acts. If today is your first time, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, and don't forget to share with your friends. Today we're gonna talk about how to insert shapes in your Microsoft Word. So without wasting much time, let's quickly go into our Word. Inserting an image into Word and inserting a shape into Word, they are almost the same thing. The only difference is that for the image you are going to get it from your PC like our previous video, but for the shape you have to draw it yourself. So you go to insert, you go to shape, then you choose any shape of your choice. So I can choose this shape, then I draw it. After drawing the shape, I can decide to change the shape's color or the outline color of the shape. So if I'm to change the color, I'll just click on the shape, then I will go to shape fill, then I choose any color of my choice. Now when the shape is drawn, you can see that we have these small bubbles around it. They are used for expanding of the shape, so I can decide to expand it to suit me to any level that I want. Then I can decide to do the change of the color to any color of my choice. We also have the outline color, so you can see any color you choose, that's what's gonna reflect on the outer line of the shape. Now after that, we also have the effects of the shape. We have the presets. You want how the shape to look like. We even have up to 3D. You see, when I choose 3D, that's how it look like. You can equally give it a shadow. Anything that you want. Yeah. That's it. So there are multiple shapes there that you can draw. I can also draw this shape. You can see it there. I can do the filling. I can do the outline. I can also change the effects to any of the 3D shapes that I want, depending on what I want, how I want it to look like. So you can see anything, the edges, anything you want to do. Yeah, that depends on you. Okay, now let us look at, well, I can also try the shape. This is a star. You can see there. You can change the color to any star. Now let us look at how you can insert a text into a shape. So I have this drawn the shape here. I can just right click and then I'll go to add a text. Now anything I type inside, you can see it there. That's all. Nothing more, nothing less. So we have different types of shapes that we use. You can look through and then choose any of them and then design it, create it, depending on what you are doing. Yeah, so that's it. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share with your friends. See you another time. Bye bye.